Hi friends, this is Satya Prakash. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll tell you some important things how to reduce noise using Camtasia Studio. Make sure in which room you are record something. You should turn off your music and you should switch off your fans and your table fans or your ceiling fans, and make sure there's no such around nearby within very few distance. About this is not about vehicles or a noise or anything outside, musics outside, some some noises which will be provide some disturbances during your recording, because during recording this noises uh, will be recorded, and as well as it will give you very bad recording stuff with your um, voice. So it is very disturbing at all. So make sure you should be get rid of these things during recording. And another thing, um, your battery should not be charged during your recording, because sometimes I'm using ASP and my operating system is Windows 10. When uh, charge my when I charge my laptop battery using plug in my charger, during that when I'm going to record something, some noises are coming, even there outside noise there or not. So it is very important, uh, don't charge your laptop battery during recording. Just pull out the plug, okay, of your charger, and don't charge your battery during recording, and you should continue recording without charging your battery with the backup of your battery. Okay. Second, you should put some configuration setting on your system. So go to sound, as you see earlier, right click recording tab, right click on the microphone properties. You should listen a checkbox. I put the checkbox because whatever I going to say, uh, you can say here, you can listen yourself, and you can identify what the background noises are there. So you can adjust about these noises, and you can set up this to how to get rid of these things, and put and make sure this levels always been fixed. This should not be less, should not be more. Okay. So now I apply here.
See, whatever you are saying, you can listen yourself. So that is why I listen to this device checkbox. I check there. So it is not required. So I just uncheck this checkbox. So go to properties, listen there. Uncheck the listen to the device checkbox. I just did it for your demo purpose, just for your understanding purpose. Okay. So
I apply, now click OK. Now okay. Now I have already have record something, and I should put play button here.
Turn off our music.
See something.
Just go to silent home. Silent
voices are coming. So what I did, I put the noise removal here, and drag here. Here track 1 is your video screen, track 2 is your audio screen. I just drag here and put on audio screen, audio track. Okay, so you can check here noise removal feature, audio effect I have added here, track 2, that is audio track 2. Okay, now I have said, don't forget to set this range on sensitivity and amount. Always be 10 for sensitivity, always be 25 for amount for under news removal tag. And this is very important to reduce the noise, background noise, and make your audio, make your recording audio very clear. Okay, now this is all about how to reduce the background noise by setting outside stuff, by setting your around the room where you're going to record something. And second thing, in your system, how to set up for reduce the background noise. So guys, that's it for today, and thank you for listening and watching my video, and have a great day. Thank you very much.